raining on New Year's Day. Wow. Woo! Looks like snow right there, but it's not. It's rain. This is the second storm that just rolled in. Oh, lightning way over there. Look how dark it is, guys. Wow. Look at all that. Just beautiful, guys. Look at all that greenery. All that green grass over the fence in the field. A little pond. Up, I just threw that bottle in that pond, so it will float. Love the rain, guys. I love the rain. I love the rain, and dude, dude. I hear thunder. Man, I wish it would snow here in Murder Valley. I wish it would. It's cold enough. So cloudy, guys. So beautiful. It's raining really hard over there. We need this water, guys. It's good for the drought for California. Oh, yeah. If I had my truck, I would be riding in this rain doing a video. Big time. The last time I've seen it rain on New Year's was 15 years ago. And I used to live up in the ranches, and it snowed all night long up there. Until then, when it was snowing, I hit a mirror and I broke my mirror. But beautiful. I wonder if it's gonna get cold enough and snow just a little bit. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let's wish we get more rain coming. We do. Bless the Lord for New Year's 2023. God bless.